Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of androecium. Okay, so inner to and above the petals are present male reproductive organs, and these male reproductive organs are known as stamens. Okay, and as we know, a particular flower do not contain only one stamen, it contains group of stamens, and collectively all the stamens they are known as androecium. ठीक है. So the stamens are present either in single or more whorls. Each stamen may be regarded as highly modified leaf. Okay, they are regarded as highly modified leaf. Then a typical stamen is differentiated into two parts. First one, a long filamentous structure. This one is known as filament, a long stalk-like structure. Okay, and it support the another part of the stamen, and that another part is anther. Okay, so student, typically a stamen consists of two parts. First one, long is a stalk-like structure. This one is known as filament. This will bear a it supports the anther. Okay, and these anther consist of two lobes, means if we cut this from here, okay, we'll get the structure like this. Okay, so it means these anther, they are the bilobed structure like this. Okay, one lobe like this, and the another one is like this. Okay, this is this part, and this one is this part. Okay, so an anther is a bilobed structure, so two lobes are there, and each lobe is differentiated into two chambers. Okay, each lobe consists of two chambers, and these chamber consist of pollen grains. Okay, and pollen grains, they are filled in these chambers, and these chambers are known as pollen sacs. Okay, each and every one. This one is also pollen sac, this one is also pollen sac. So pollen sacs consist of pollen grain. Pollen grain, they are having round structure. The outer membrane of pollen grain are rough. Okay, and this outer rough membrane of pollen grain is known as axine, whereas the inner structure is smooth. The inner wall is smooth, and this inner wall is known as intine. Okay,